What is going on, everyone? It's Lucas with 417 Speed. Today we are revealing the GT86 wrap. Sitting right over there. All right. First, you have to go like the video. You have to go subscribe before we'll do anything.
Right now.
I'm waiting. You better do it.
Still waiting.
There's someone walking over here. I'm still waiting. You better go like and subscribe, or we can't show you the car. What do you think, Spencer? Should we go ahead and do it?
Yeah, let's just do it.
All right, ready, guys? This is the wrap reveal of the 86. Go. Alright guys, as you can see, we did go ahead and match both of the cars in the Nardo gray with the black accents, and it looks freaking killer. So that is going to be it for this video, guys. We'll ask you to go like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for the next video. Peace. Please start. Please start. Hey!
Let's get down our car start.
Yeah!